Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A55, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will want to open up your contacts application like this one. And in here, we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to select, actually no, not three dots. We're going to go into the three bars and then manage contacts. And here you want to select import contacts. Allow. Select where you want to import your contacts from. In my case, I have only two options, either the phone or cloud storage or the SIM card. I'm going to select SIM card, and this will then display all the contacts that are located on that card. So from here, you can quickly select all of them by clicking right up here, and maybe you want to deselect some. Once you're satisfied, click on done, and this will then ask you where you want to import your contacts to. In my case, I have bunch of different accounts that I can choose from, and also the phone. This will differ from person to person. Obviously, these are all the accounts that are right now signed in on the phone, which I can import contacts to. So anyway, I'm gonna select phone, as this will show up for everyone. And I'm going to just click on import. It will say that it has imported contacts successfully, and when we go back, we should have access to them in our contacts list. Now, one more thing to mention here, when it comes down to the Samsung contacts application, it's not the best one. So if your contacts already exist on one of your accounts, like the Samsung or Google account, and then you import them to the device, they will be displayed as duplicate contacts in here. Obviously not the best thing, considering you might just have like two same entries, like for instance something along those lines. So something to keep in mind. And that being said, there is option, for instance, from Google themselves, so the Google contacts, which allow you to choose where the contacts are being displayed from. So you have the option to change it to, for instance, Samsung account, Google account, or phone, or SIM card. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.